Hello mga kawaray! Salamat always, okay? So, this is my new video. It's all about Junjun. First day of training sa rugby game niya. So, enjoy at chill-chill lang tayo mga lab. Stay motivated. And of course, thank you always! So, ayan na mga las, medyo napagod na si Junjun. It's normal because iba yung training sa rugby compare sa swimming, judo, at saka horse riding niya. So, iba to kasi more on moving talaga at saka dapat mabilis mabilis talaga dapat. So, normal lang yan pag i-train natin yung mga kids natin. So, just encourage them to keep moving at saka be consistent. Yun lang. So, kahit super active si anak sa sports dito, of course, binibigyan ko siya ng me time. He can play his Facebook, his iPad, whatever he want. As long tapos na yung assignment at other things na need niyang tapusin. So, yan. Balance lang and let them explore and dapat competitive talaga. But hindi naman as in totally na ganon na i-push ng bonggang-bongga sa dapat ng first ganon, but at least active sila sa sports at sa mga of course sa school din. Balance lang, balance parenting. So that's all for today mga kawaray. I hope you learn a little about parenting and about the sports na rugby. So magandang buhay. Salamat everyone. Salamat.
Feel my stable, kembali bersama saya, Febri and